Welcome to Spring Everyday. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch Java version in a Spring project. Now let's get started. So we have a Spring project to write a Spring Cloud function. And in the very beginning, let's see if we decide to use Java 1.8. Now let's see, we don't have any concern about the compatibility backwards. So we decided to say, hey, we can switch Java version. So how do we switch that? Okay, to do that, what you can do is come down to the POM XML file and make it a different version. For example, I'm going to do 11. And you're going to save it. Okay, after save it, you can come down to run this demo project again. So as you can see, this is starting demo application using Java 11, and you have done it. So now let's see, what if 11 is not what you want and you want to move to 14? Okay, again, very quick, come down to this POM XML file and you can change it to 14, and you can Command S and save it, and it won't automatically get 14 for you because Java version has been changed. So what you need to do is to restart. Click this button and you can see the Java version has become 14. Okay, so this is how easy you can switch Java version. The only thing you need to make sure that you know is a command. So this command will tell you if you have the necessary JVM or JDK installed in your system. And this command is usr libexec and Java home and uppercase V. So once you type this command in the terminal, and it will tell you how many JDK or how many JVM you have in your system. So we do have 14, we do have 11, we do have 1.8. You can see it does not hurt to have Oracle JDK or Open JDK in the same system. So this is how easy you can switch Java version in the Spring project. I hope you can give it a try and share me your good news. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.